Welcome back to your channel Roberto Castillo, dear viewers. Today, we're diving into the exciting world of AI-powered apps. In this corner, we have two heavyweights battling it out for the title of the best all-in-one marketing platform. GETRESPONCE and Systeme.io are here, and we're going to compare and contrast their features, ease of use, and value for money. Let's get ready to rumble. 1. GETRESPONCE. Let's kick things off with GETRESPONCE. This veteran in the email marketing arena has been serving users for years. It offers a wide range of tools, including email marketing, landing pages, marketing automation, and webinars. With its intuitive interface, creating email campaigns and landing pages becomes a breeze. Absolutely. GETRESPONCE's drag-and-drop editor lets users customize emails and landing pages without any coding knowledge. Plus, it offers a vast library of templates that cater to various industries and campaign types. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced marketer, GETRESPONCE makes it easy to get started. And don't forget the marketing automation feature. GETRESPONCE empowers users to set up automated workflows to engage with subscribers based on their actions. This means you can deliver personalized content at the right time, boosting engagement and conversion rates. True. GETRESPONCE also provides detailed analytics and A/B testing, allowing users to optimize their campaigns for better results. Plus, their customer support is top-notch, ensuring you get the assistance you need when you need it. The price point may be a concern for some, but the value you get from the comprehensive features and support makes it worth considering. Overall, GETRESPONCE is a strong contender for businesses of all sizes looking to enhance their marketing efforts. 2. Systeme.io. Now, let's turn our attention to Systeme.io, a newer player in the market, but don't let that fool you. Systeme.io has quickly gained popularity for its simplicity and affordability. That's right. Systeme.io is an all-in-one platform offering email marketing, sales funnels, automation, and even course creation tools. One of its standout features is its ease of use. The platform is designed with beginners in mind, making it a great choice for entrepreneurs who may not have extensive technical expertise. You got it. Systeme.io's drag-and-drop interface is super user-friendly, allowing users to create sales funnels and email campaigns effortlessly. The platform's templates are also optimized for conversions, helping businesses generate leads and sales with ease. The pricing is another advantage. Systeme.io provides a more budget-friendly option, especially for those just starting their online ventures. It's an excellent solution for small businesses and solopreneurs. On top of that, Systeme.io comes with built-in automation capabilities, enabling users to set up triggered emails and sequences. This automation helps save time and keeps your marketing efforts running smoothly. However, one area where Systeme.io may have room for improvement is in its customer support. While it does offer support, the response time and availability might not be as extensive as some competitors. 3. Final verdict. Both GETRESPONCE and Systeme.io are powerful AI-driven apps that offer unique strengths. GETRESPONCE excels in its comprehensive set of features, with a focus on email marketing and automation. It's a great option for established businesses looking for advanced marketing tools and excellent customer support. On the other hand, Systeme.io is ideal for beginners and budget-conscious entrepreneurs. Its simplicity, affordability, and all-in-one nature make it a fantastic choice for startups and smaller ventures. Ultimately, the decision boils down to your specific needs and budget. Evaluate the features that matter most to you and your business, and remember to consider scalability as your business grows. And there you have it, folks. The showdown between GETRESPONCE and Systeme.io. We hope this comparison helps you make an informed choice. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more exciting content. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time on our channel. Happy marketing!